Okay, there's this question from JAM 2006, question 37, where we're asked find PQ for which bracket open 2p 8 3 minus 5q bracket close bracket open 1 2 bracket close is equal to bracket open 24 minus 17 bracket close. We'll dive into this by quickly writing solution. Write solution. Let's start. We know that in multiplication of matrix by matrix, the operation is carried out by multiplying row by column. Hence, in finding PQ, we have finding P and Q, we have bracket open 2p8 3 minus 5q bracket close bracket open 1 2 bracket close is equal to bracket open 24 minus 17 bracket close. Now, having copied out our operation that we've been given, we proceed to multiply. So this will become equal to bracket open 2p times 1 plus 8 times 2. We move to the bottom and we have 3 times 1 plus bracket open minus 5q bracket close times 2 or bracket close is equal to bracket open 24 minus 17 bracket close. Now this itself is equal to bracket open 2p times 1 gives us 2p plus 8 times 2 gives us plus 16, and 3 times 1 gives us 3. Then we'll have a minus 5q times 2. This ends up giving us minus 10q bracket close, all equal to bracket open 24 minus 17 bracket close. Now, in order for us to solve for that, we equate our terms to their value. So the term we have, what we have in our row 1, which contains a p, is 2p plus 16 is equal to 24. So we solve these out in order for us to get our value for p. We move 16 to the other side of our equal to, we end up having 2p equal to 24 minus 16. So this out, we have 2p is equal to 24 minus 16 gives us 8. Now we divide both sides of our equation by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 cancel 8. We have p to be equal to 4. Do same for q. So we have 3 minus 10q equal to minus 17. We move 3 to the other side of our equation and we end up having minus 10q to be equal to minus 17 minus 3. Now this gives us minus 10q to be equal to minus 20. Divide both sides by minus 10. Minus 10. This cancels out. Cancels out. We end up having a 2 minus 10. Also cancels minus 10. And this gives us a value for q to be equal to 2. Therefore, PQ is equal to 4 over 2. Thank you.